Good morning. We're at Rancho Sante, Cars and Coffee. And this is our 1974 BMW 2002. This 1974 BMW 2002 is not as rare as some of the vehicles you see behind me, but its condition is superior. The vehicle is one of 100 originally produced in this aqua turquoise metallic. The interior is fitted with full leather and Recaro seats, and the engine is an M10 2-liter inline 4-cylinder. Now I'm a big guy at 6'1", 250, but the cabin room features plenty of footroom, plenty of headroom, and the vehicle shifts effortlessly. Now this vehicle could be found at www.pmautos.com. We're located in San Diego, California. And if you like that video, smash that subscribe button because next weekend we're taking out this BMW Z8.